CCTV
Hatu pidon am ka thong man long kita ki nong shet hagi hotel and hagi restaurant iba pau hamokam hilaban pun long e thong ko jongpi ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel ka don ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course
ka Committee on Environment jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ha ka santri ujali aja apun riu kala rakhi ya World Environment Day daga bathung Tynrai Dieng ha Phyllaw jong ka assembly ha Khyndai large long Hagani ki Thung ye ki Tynrai Dieng balalam commando chairman jong committee on environment u rakam e sangma lai shimanta lang di khar committee bakun tho yu ba olan singsun u MLA ga Mausun Ram u Arbin Stone bi marak u MLA ga Selsela mat u ba Nujor ki sungo u MLA ga Mukayaw lamba ki officer jong assembly secretariat mat ki officer nakatrat social forestry.
We celebrated World Environment Day as the Environment Committee here in Assembly, and we have planted some saplings led by our chairman, Mr. Rakam Sangma, and other members also planted saplings here. And it is our resolve that as per the theme for this year's World Environment Day, climate action, we will not only plant but we will nurture, and we will make sure that it grows beyond our own height, and it should be able to contribute to the greenery and also to the environment as well. So I also would like to wish everyone that everyone will do the same, not only plant only for the namesake, but we will also nurture and also help the trees, that the saplings that we have planted to grow and also be part of the green revolution and also the environment for our good health, for our sustenance, and for providing us the best environment that we can be. Thank you very much.
As a Committee on Environment Assembly, we have organized 3 plantation programs at the Assembly Secretariat today in presence of members and officers of the Assembly Secretariat and also from the Forest Department. So it is truly a message to every one of us that everybody on the earth should take our responsibility in planting trees so that our future will be secured. As a new chairman of the committee, we are yet to discuss, we have yet to sit together about the plan of the committee. But however, this committee exists for long from the inception, so we are taking up certain issues which is concern of the interest of the people. These are our environmental concerns. So this committee take up the issues which affect the people's life on the environmental aspect. So yes, this committee will continue to do as per the requirement on the interests of the people of the state, and mostly that the crisis of environment is definitely going to be beyond the limit in the days to come. So it is not about the committee, but it's about human beings. Everybody should take responsibility in working towards the conservation of the environment. Yes, it is like, look, we can make any law, we can enforce any rules, but it will not be perfect. But awareness and motivation of the people is the most important in the days to come. Yes, because until everybody are understood the challenge, because after all, this time are coming when the crisis will only for the environment, the water, it's going to happen definitely between the community, between the nations, between the states. So therefore, it is not only of the one nation or one state, but it is every nation, every individual, every community should be given proper awareness, should be ignite them, so motivate them so that they will give interest for the conservation of the work for the environment. So that's the only solution. Yeah. Look, if you look at the history of our state, Meghalaya, the temperature has risen quite a lot. If you look just recently, 4 or 5 years, the climate, the temperature of the state has been risen here, has been increased. So therefore, it is going to be more in the days to come. So Meghalaya state is known for the wettest place on the earth. But it is decreasing now that this thing, it is not happening anymore. We don't have a scarcity of the rain, the shortage of water, all this happening right now. So therefore it is the right time for the Meghalayan's as hill state to be more active on working on as this government. I know our government, this MDA government, is also working tirelessly under the dynamic list of Honorable Chief Minister, roll out certain programs to conserve environment, in motivating the community, in encouraging the Nokmas and Double Snow like Green Plus, Eco and Green Plus. There are certain program, conservative related program as there. So it's not only the government, but every individual community should take responsible in conserving the stream, the forest, and planting the tree, etc., etc. So otherwise, once it goes beyond the limit, it is not recoverable or repairable or undo. Only as I said, it is only the adaptation. Before we too late, I think we should be. This is a wake-up call for everybody. Yeah.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride